So you'd like to know the perfect fonts to use for your brand? Well, there are two ways we can do this. The first is exploring the history of fonts and explaining why each character is the way it is in depth, or we can just give you the perfect font selections to complement your brand perfectly and send you on your way. First, we'll explore the basics of what you should know about fonts, where to get them, and also how to use them properly. Secondly, we'll share with you the 3 essential rules you should know in order to select the best font for your brand to ensure it comes across as credible and trustworthy. And if you stay till the end of the video, we're going to share with you 5 perfect font combinations that you can download absolutely free of charge. So, where to start? As a wise person once said, it's good to start at the beginning, so I think we'll do just that. Why is font selection important? Well, in simple terms, it's because as customers, we perceive and judge brands based on how they look. We can't help ourselves, it's just in our nature. We do this because we want to make sure our hard-earned money isn't going to be wasted on something that doesn't meet our expectation. Fonts help us judge many things, one being the company's credibility and ability to deliver on our expectations. A brand should typically have 2 fonts, a main font and a complementary font. The main font is for headers and subheaders. Use this font when you want to capture the reader's attention. Your complementary font is generally used for, well, general content, such as normal text on a leaflet or on your website copy. Now you have a well-rounded idea of why and how we use fonts, I think you're ready to select the best fonts for your brand. When choosing your fonts, all you need to do is follow these 3 simple rules. Firstly, your main font should be similar to the font used in your logo. Secondly, your main and your complementary font should be different. And thirdly, they should be both easy to read. To help you find the perfect fonts for your brand, we've brought together 5 amazing combinations for you to choose from, along with the guidance on why each of them will work for you. You may actually have some of these fonts already on your computer, but we've also collected a selection of links which can show you exactly where to download each font 100% free of charge. The first selection is Nova. The Nova selection is perfect for brands that want to be seen as fashionable and timeless. It is elegant and professional, but also quite interesting. The second is Parker. Parker is a perfect balance between modern and classical. The 2 are different in character, but complement each other in regards to simplicity and sheer timelessness. Dylan is a more modern combination, using a bolder main font and a slightly thinner complementary font to really complement each other. This font would be perfect for almost any company looking to come across as approachable and professional. Lucy is the only selection to use just 1 font for both the main and complementary font. The reason that we can do this is that the bolder version of the font almost has a completely different look to the regular option. This font is perfect for a brand that wants to come across as charming and down to earth. Origami is perfect for brands that want to give an authentic, organic or even outdoor message. The bold, rounded presence of Nor'Wester gives an approachable and real feel, whilst the complementary font keeps the combination current and clean. Each combination has its own strengths and benefits, so just select the one that feels right for your brand. And if you're feeling creative, feel free to mix and match them and create unique combinations of your own. Simply use the set combinations as a tried and tested guide. Once you've selected the fonts of your dreams, we'd love you to use them and write us a 17-page letter thanking us for creating such informative and incredible content. If you run out of paper or your printer happens to be broken, then a simple like and a comment will do just fine. If you're still here, we really appreciate it, but please, leave. Visit some other video or do something else. There's seriously nothing to see here. Seriously, just leave. Jesus, well, if you love us that much, you might as well subscribe. Okay, now you can leave. We will see you soon.